Okay, we're now going to look at another area of the care plans, risk assessments. So when you first create a resident, there are some default risk assessments that will be assigned. And in the next lesson, we'll look at how you can modify which risk assessments are given to which residents. But in this example, we're going to show you how you can access risk assessments and make changes. And you can make changes via Care Control Mobile, or you can make changes via the Care Control Windows system. So in Care Control Windows, we're going to go to the care plans of our resident that we've created at the start of this process. And again, we're going to load his care plan summary screen. On the left-hand side, we can now select from the top section, the essential section, risk assessments, and we can see the risk assessments this gentleman's been assigned. Now this has been defaulted from this particular organisation. Your organisation may be different. And like I said, on the next lesson, we will discuss how you can change which risk assessments each resident is on. So if we were to complete, for example, the fourth risk assessment, we can click on that option. Now we can't actually do anything at the moment because we're still not in edit mode, so we need to click where it says click to edit care plan again, put our PIN number in, click fourth risk, and now click to change record. And now we can complete our fourth risk assessment. Now here is where we'll just score the chart where we think it's appropriate, and that now has scored him 16, which is still a low score for fourth risk. When we're happy, we can hit save. When we click on it again, you'll see now we have our fourth assessment completed. If we look at the movement risk assessment, that is a more detailed risk assessment. As you can see, there are lots of areas here to complete, textual areas to fill out. However, it is important to complete the risk assessments as accurately as you can, as they can then be used by the care staff to understand what the risks are in various areas. You can also access the risk assessments in Care Control Mobile. If we go to our care plan for that particular gentleman, the care plan summary will load. On the left hand side, we can then select risk assessments. If we select our fourth risk assessment, we'll then see the risk assessment that we just completed. You can also, on the mobile system, select a new risk assessment. It will pull up the scores you did previously, and if you needed to change it slightly, you can do. Save changes, and now you've completed another risk assessment for Mr. Fred Jones.